back to my channel. I'm your host and friend Krishna. Today I'm going to show you how you can learn code without paying anything. This is totally free of cost. They will not charge any amount for your learning. If you're passionate about coding and passionate about learning, you can learn totally free of cost. So let's get started. First of all, you have to just go to your Google interface or any default browser you have. You have to just type W3 School. That's it. Just type W3 School. You don't need to remember to all website name. You have to just type W3 School and you will get this type of interface. Once you click on this, you will get this type of interface again. This is a default interface of the website where you can select your preferable language. For example, if I want to learn Python, I can just click on Python here. And if I want to learn PHP, I can click on PHP. And we have a lot of options, not only just two or three or five or 10. We have a lot of options based on our requirement or our need. We can go with language and we can learn. Learning is totally free. If you want to get certified from here, you have to pay some additional amount. You have to just click on get certified and you they will ask for some payments you have to pay, and after that you will get certified. So this is the certification process. Again, you can there is a job option for, you can also apply for jobs from here. And again, we have one very good option in this website, which is you can also write your own code and you can just compile and test. If like for example, right now I'll just click on Python, and this is the first example. When you go on this website and when you see the content, trust me, content is too easy to understand and contents are too good. And yeah, this is an example where I can just click on try it yourself. Once I click on this, I will get this interface where I can write my own code and I can just click on run. And by clicking on run, I can just run my own codes. So that means website is also providing a interface where you can just write your own codes and you can test. So that means learning is too easy. You don't need to install any interface or any some dependencies to learn. Again, yeah, website is too easy. And the second one website is tutorials point. You have to just type tutorials point. That's it. You don't need to remember whole website name or domain name. You just need to type tutorials point. Once you click on enter, you will get this interface of Google. You just need to click on this website tutorialspoint.com. Once you click on this, again similar interface almost. You will get again a lot of options here. You will also get a certification option. Again, certification option is costly, so if you want to get certified from here, you can pay and you can get certified. Again, yeah, we have option for whiteboards, jobs, coding route. Again, this is the compiling option where you can get a compiling option to learn or to test your own code, to write your code based on your requirement. And if you are going for any specific language, you can just click on language. You will get this type of interface. Again, interface is totally almost similar. So again, contents are too good. So if you are talk about the contents, explanations are too good. So trust me, you can go with both of websites. uh, at the end, it's your choice if you want to use W3 schools or tutorials points, but both websites are too easy to understand and too easy to go. So yeah, this is the video, and thank you so much for watching the video. Please keep supporting and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.